What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your throttle pedal sensor. It's real simple. It's like a 10-15 minute job right here. First thing you need to do with the flat screwdriver, you need to loosen up this plug right here. We'll actually push it back. Once you push it back, this clip right here will snap right out. You can then pull your wire right there, pull it to the side. Well, before you do that, you got to make sure your battery is disconnected. You know, you don't want to circuit something. The next thing you need to do is remove this 1 out of 2 10mm bolt right here. That's the first one right there. The second one is right up here. Right there. So you can get your whole throttle pedal sensor, I'm sorry. Which is the whole assembly right there. That's the order number, PPS 1164. Got my old throttle pedal sensor right here. Just remove this bolt that goes right there. This one right there. Your plug. That's about it. And once you're done once you put in your new part, just follow the same steps, reverse. You should be good to go.